po for being with us this evening. Deputy General Manager of Talents Manila, Ms. Jen Kobe Venancio, maraming salamat po. Seasoned fashion stylist and designer, Mr. Jonathan Alecte, thank you po. And of course, Managing Director and CEO of Talents Manila, Mr. Carlo Martin. Thank you for gracing this event. Okay, at marami po tayong upcoming na elimination round. Okay, our next set of elimination will be on March 21. Next is March 28. So please mark your calendars. Next is April 11, April 18, 25, May 2, 9, 16, and 23. Ayan. So please mark your calendars kung wala naman po kayong ginagawa at gusto nyo pong ma-entertain, no? Habang nagsha-shopping dito sa Easy Town Cinerama Complex, please do come over and we will be having so much fun. Ako nakaka-excite naman po. And to all the women, dito po na nandito ngayong hapon, at sa ating lovely ladies, talagang binigay ang kanilang lahat upang mairampa at maging confident on stage. Happy Women's Month po sa inyo. Ang gaganda niyo po. You look very beautiful and confident. Okay, now it's time for you to judge, madlang judges of Easy Town Cinerama Complex. Now it's time. Habang tinatabilin nila ang score. Ako, nahihirapan yung mga judges. Ito na. Vlogger ko. Ay, nag-vlog na ba kayo? Alive ka? Ayan, I think it's time na para mapisil mo kung sino sa tingin mo. Overall, no? Ito yung tipong judge na pang-overall na yun. Sige. Madlang judge. No, it's okay. That's part of the competition. Meron talagang hindi napipisil. At may kanya-kanya tayong preference.